In this video tutorial, we will learn how to use Immersive Reader in a team's assignment. Here is an example of a student's assignment in kindergarten. Students can find the Immersive Reader button at the top right-hand corner. You will notice that it will focus on the text only. I can press play, and the text will be read back to me.
Identify and name shapes lesson 9.3 new version.
I can click pause, and I can go back to the beginning of the text. I can also click here and adjust the voice setting to select the speed of the playback and to choose a female or male voice. Another option you have is the text preferences. Here I can increase the text size, and I can also increase the word spacing and choose a different style font. There is also a grammar option tab. Here I can click on syllables, and I can highlight different parts of speech, and I can also change the color. We also have reading preferences. You can view the text by one line to reduce distractions, or if you have a paragraph, you can choose 3 lines or 5. We also have a picture dictionary. Here, I could click on a word I don't know, and it will show me a picture of the word, and I can listen to the word.
Shapes.
Another powerful tool is the translate option. If English is not my first language and I'm still learning English, I can choose my language and it will translate the entire document or by word. And most languages will be read back to me.
Identificar y nombrar formas lección 9.3 nueva versión.
I can go back to the original document, or I can go back to the Spanish version. To go back to my original assignment, I can click the back arrow button, and it will take me back to my assignment. As you can see, Immersive Reader is a very powerful tool for our students. Thank you for watching.